What if I told you the moment you start making more money is also the moment life starts getting more complicated, more stressful, and for some people, more empty? Nobody warns you about that, because on the surface, more money looks like freedom. Bigger paycheck, better car, nicer place, respect from people who used to ignore you. But behind the scenes, something changes inside you. You don't just earn more, you start wanting more. And suddenly, what used to feel like success starts feeling normal, even small. Here's the truth most people never hear. Making more money doesn't fix your mindset. It exposes it. Most people think the problem is not enough money. But the real problem shows up when money finally arrives, and you realize you still feel behind, still anxious, still comparing, still chasing, because income goes up faster than identity can handle. And that's where things get dangerous. You start upgrading your lifestyle before upgrading your financial intelligence. A new car here, a bigger rent there, a better image everywhere, and slowly, your money stops feeling like power and starts feeling like pressure. Nobody talks about this shift because society celebrates earning, not managing. It rewards income, not discipline. It applauds spending, not ownership. But here's the hidden reality shift. Wealth isn't built when you start making more money. Wealth is built when your behavior stays the same while your income grows. That's the part almost nobody survives. Because the moment people start earning more, they don't think in systems, they think in upgrades. They buy liabilities disguised as rewards. They trade long-term freedom for short-term validation. And the worst part? It feels like progress, but real progress is almost invisible. It's not the new car. It's the investments nobody sees. It's the discipline to live below your level, while your income rises above it. Think about it like this. Two people earn the same raise. One upgrades their life immediately. New lifestyle, new expenses, new pressure. The other builds systems, investments, skills, ownership, leverage. Fast forward 5 years, one looks successful. The other is actually free. That's the difference nobody warns you about. More. Money doesn't automatically give you control. It amplifies your decisions. If you lack discipline, money scales chaos. If you have structure, money scales freedom. And this is where the emotional truth hits hardest. A lot of people don't feel broke because they don't earn enough. They feel broke because their money never stops moving away from them. Every raise gets absorbed. Every bonus gets spent. Every opportunity gets consumed by lifestyle inflation. And they wonder why nothing changes. But the shift is simple and brutal. Stop asking, "How can I make more money?" Start asking, "Can I survive myself if I make 3x more?" Because if you can't control $3,000 a month, you won't control $30,000 a month. Money doesn't create identity. It reveals it. And the moment you understand that, everything changes. You stop chasing income and start building structure. You stop buying status and start buying assets. You stop working for money and start making money work for you. That's the real warning nobody gives you. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you found this perspective useful, consider subscribing for more calm, reality-based financial discussions.